Pineapple is more than just a delicious tropical fruit. It offers remarkable health benefits that many people may not know about. Originating from South America, pineapple has become a global favorite, used in cuisines and traditional medicines for centuries. This fruit is packed with vitamins, minerals, and enzymes that can significantly enhance overall health. One of the primary benefits of pineapple is its ability to aid digestion. Many people struggle with bloating, constipation, and irritable bowel syndrome, which can make daily life uncomfortable. Pineapple is rich in fiber, which helps regulate bowel movements, and it contains bromelain, a powerful enzyme that improves digestion and reduces gut inflammation. Inflammation is another common health issue that can lead to chronic conditions like arthritis, diabetes, and heart disease. Pineapple's anti-inflammatory properties, primarily due to bromelain and vitamin C, help reduce swelling and pain. It can also benefit skin health by minimizing acne and supporting collagen production. Additionally, pineapple's antioxidants protect against cell damage, reducing the risk of chronic diseases. For those looking to boost their immunity, pineapple is an excellent choice. It is exceptionally rich in vitamin C, which plays a vital role in strengthening the immune system by promoting white blood cell production. This helps the body fight infections like the common cold and flu. Pineapple is also a great source of manganese, which acts as an antioxidant and supports overall cellular health. Beyond its immune-boosting and anti-inflammatory properties, pineapple is beneficial for weight management. Its high fiber content promotes satiety, helping to control appetite and regulate blood sugar levels. It also contains essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin B6, folate, and copper, which support red blood cell production and overall well-being. Another surprising benefit of pineapple is its role in muscle recovery. The bromelain in pineapple helps reduce muscle soreness and inflammation, making it a great post-workout snack for athletes and fitness enthusiasts. Additionally, its high water content and electrolytes like potassium and magnesium support hydration and muscle function, preventing cramps. Incorporating pineapple into a balanced diet can have a significant impact on digestion, inflammation, immunity, and overall well-being. Whether eaten on its own, blended into smoothies, or used as a topping for yogurt or oatmeal, pineapple is a delicious and nutritious addition to any meal. Try including it in your diet and experience its incredible health benefits. What's your favorite way to enjoy pineapple? Let us know in the comments, and stay tuned for our next video, where we'll explore more healthy fruits and recipes to enhance your diet.